The Cook Islands are located south of Hawaii. It's in the same time zone. And we found it to have the strongest asset protection case law history in the world. So it's not theory, but each time we've seen it tested by the courts, we've seen it protect the client's assets. Quite simply, local courts do not have jurisdiction over foreign trustees. The local court says, give me the money, and in the Cook Islands it falls on deaf ears. I've been in the asset protection business for over 25 years. I teach seminars to attorneys, CPAs, and business people, and we're talking about what many asset protection experts agree is the strongest asset protection tool in the world, and that's the Cook Islands Trust. So the client can control the day-to-day activities. We establish a limited liability company that is 100% owned by the trust, and we establish the LLC in the Caribbean island of Nevis or in the Cook Islands itself. The client is the manager of the Nevis LLC who controls the LLC assets, and you can be the initial signatory on the bank accounts. Now, when the bad thing happens, you can temporarily have the trustee in the Cook Islands step in as manager of the LLC as well. Now, the trustee is licensed and bonded, and by license we mean they went through intensive background checks to get a license, and by bonded we mean the funds are insured, plus we use a 38-year-old trust company. So for client safety and peace of mind, the only time the trustee would step in is when the courts would take the money. So the question is, would you rather have a 100% chance of the money being taken by the courts, or would you rather have a licensed bonded trustee who has never taken a client's money simply do what you've paid them to do, and that's protect your money? Now, when the bad thing goes away, the string of control, which is the management of the Nevis LLC that's inside of the trust, goes back to you, and you're back in the driver's seat with all of your money intact. In the meantime, during legal duress, if you have bills to pay, the trustee can pay them for you. You can have the trustee pay a trusted friend or relative who provides money for you, etc. So you still have access to your money, but your enemy at law does not. The bottom line is everything you've worked so hard for is safe and secure. Now, the best asset protection the trust provides is for liquid funds held offshore. The U.S. courts have jurisdiction over U.S. bank accounts and real estate, so you can put real estate in the company that's owned by the trust or record a lien against the property payable to the company that's inside the trust. And then when the bad thing happens, it's really better to sell real estate or mortgage it to the hilt than lose it altogether. Now, we set up a lot of trusts for attorneys and their clients, and then the attorneys will typically charge between $30,000 to $50,000 for these trusts. We can establish a Cook Islands trust for you for a fraction of that amount. So if you have questions, you can give us a call at 1-800-959-8819. Thank you.